Welcome to the Solana token holder's unfreezing tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to unfreeze your Solana token holders. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your token holdings. Once your wallet is connected, click on the Token Address dropdown. This will load a list of tokens associated with your wallet. Select the token you wish to unfreeze the holder. Before proceeding, check the Token Unfreezing Permission and Has Unfreeze Authority sections. Ensure that the selected token has the necessary permissions and that your wallet has the authority to unfreeze it. Now, enter the wallet address of the holder you want to unfreeze. Ensure the address is correct to avoid any errors. Verify all the information to ensure accuracy. Check the token name, unfreeze authority status, and the holder's address. Make sure there are no errors in the entered details. Finally, click on the Unfreeze Now button to initiate the unfreezing process. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the total fees and the amount of SOL required. Once you confirm the transaction, the process will begin. You'll see a processing message on the screen. This might take a few moments as the platform unfreezes the token holder on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! The token holder has been successfully unfrozen. You can now view the transaction details on Solscan. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation. These resources provide additional guidance on unfreezing token holders.